In this video, we'll look at the Alpaka Metro Crossbody. First, we will look at how it fits on male and female body. Second, we will look at the bag itself. Third, we'll do a pack with me. And fourth, we will do the pros and cons. And fifth part, who is this bag for? So looking at the specs, Alpaka Metro Crossbody, here you have keep moving forward, you have a little text if you want to read. It's available in both left and right sided shoulder, so when you purchase it you can choose right or left. If you choose left, it's more for the right-handed people and the other way around. Here you have all the features with that we will go through. Here talking about the dimensions, so 40 centimeters in height, 23 and 13, and it's rated at 10 liter, and here you have the mod key teaser. So let's go to the bag itself. I have it in the green. You have also a black color at the time of editing this video. No more color, just black or green. I really like the green one, as you can see. Here you have the optional strap that you can remove like this, or completely remove. We'll see it right after. So going through the bags and the exterior features, first of all you have a handle on the top. So this is kind of the top of the bag. Okay, and you have a handle right here. Talking about handles, you also have one here, which is actually a luggage pass-through. So you can put this on your luggage like this. Here some padding, very nice padding with a breeze channel right in the middle, if you can see it here. Here some padding also, and some more beefy padding on this side, which should be on your chest. And as you can see, there is the Alpaka logo right here. So if you look at the pocket like this, you have first the front pocket right here, front dome pocket, so the interior is gray. And here you have a key leash that is attached, you cannot detach it. With the standard, I think it's maglogs, maybe Alpaka in-house magnets, I don't know, system. But here you have this, and here you can put your key on this thing. You can just remove it, put your keys in, and then put it back together like this. Attach it quickly, put it back inside, and then kaboom. If we look at the bag like this, like if you were wearing it on you, well, you can open the main compartment like this. You don't have pull tabs like you can see on air backpacks, for example. Here you don't have them, but you don't really need them. You have the same gray honeycomb interior. Here you have a zipped mesh pocket, which is quite big. Actually, the zips are wacky. And here on the back, you have very well padded thing to put a small laptop, 11-inch, or a tablet up to an iPad Pro. And you have this scratch, keep it from dangling around. And as you can see, there is not much organization in this bag. And here, the last pocket. First, I didn't see it. Like, it's very well hidden here. It's a special back pocket. Here you can see the normal fabric, and here you have the gray fabric right here, as you can see. And it's about, yeah, it goes to around here, so it's quite deep. You can fit a lot of things inside. And the last pocket is on this side, so it's for the water bottle. As you can see right here, maybe you will see on the pictures that I took on the outside, because you can fit a very large water bottle right here. And if you fear it from going out, you have this, and you can put your water bottle around. You can put this around your water bottle just to keep it safe. If you have a bigger or a smaller water bottle, you can zip it or unzip it. Kind of the two last pockets The first one is this thing. So if you put a card, I think I will not use it, but maybe this is kind of a urban bag. It's more to go on the subway, on the bus, or something like this. And if you have a card, for example, for the metro, and you can put it here, and then you do like this, and then the card goes out. And when you put it back, it should put this back in. So it's a quick access one card, or maybe you want to put your credit card here. If you're safe with this, like I'm not really sure about it, but you can use it, or you just can leave it like this. And the last pocket is right here. I think it's the size of a S24 Ultra. That's it for the pockets. And then you have stabilizer strap, and you can remove it. If you don't want it, you can remove this. You can detach it like this. You can adjust it, and you can also detach it from this side. So it's completely optional. It's more like when you do biking or when you move a lot. Otherwise, you have this strap, which is more than enough, and you can remove it like this. I kind of like this maglocks thing that they use all around on the Alpaka brand. And here you can see it like this. And like I said, this is the left shoulder. So if you are on the back, you put it around your left shoulder, but you also have the option to buy it on the right shoulder. So what's inside? How you can pack it, how I pack it is just an example, but first of all, here you have water bottle, as you can see. So I put the thing around, okay. I will just let it here because I want to show you how it takes space into the main compartment. The front pocket right here, so if you have it on you, it will be something like this. Here I put a battery from Samsung. Here you can put your key. I didn't put it here, but you can, or some quick access things. To the main compartment, I just put this, but you can put some clothes. So this is a Peak Design S packing cube. It fits, no problem. I filled it in another time with clothes. It fits, but you don't want to put a lot of clothes inside. Here you have an umbrella, a very small umbrella. You can check it on the link down below. And you can also put it here. It's a very good place for an umbrella if you don't have a water bottle, or if you want to put your water bottle in the main compartment. Now here on this side, you can put some smaller items, but it's quite big. So I put a very nice Rovivon A28 and a Joby stand. Okay, you can find all the links in the video description down below. Here you can put up to an 11-inch iPad Pro, but here I put my Kindle. The only downside is if you are an Android user and you want to put here, for example, a Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus or S9 Plus, you cannot fit it inside here. I think it's because it's too long because of the format, which is 16:9 and not a 4:3 aspect ratio like the iPad. So not a good thing if you're an Android user and you want to put a tablet inside here, or maybe you have a smaller tablet and then it fits. Okay, this is the main compartment, and like I said, here you can see, maybe not, this is the water bottle, and it takes a little bit of space from the main compartment if you put something in the water bottle pocket. And the last pocket is the hidden pocket right here. Here I put Game Boy Advance kind of device, and here I put my trusted earbuds. And the last thing is on this side, so on your chest, you have, of course, you can put a card right here, and here you can put up to a S24 Ultra, no problem at all, it fits perfectly inside. And this is, I think, one of the highlights of this bag. I really like this pocket, very well thought pocket. It's just that it's not protected from the elements since this is just mesh, but since your phone might be waterproof, there is no problem with this. And I think that's about it. And if we remove the water bottle like this, as you can see, it looks something like this. So what are the pros and cons of this Metro Crossbody bag? Well, the first con is it's a little small at 10 liters. You can fit definitely some things, but if you want to fit a bigger laptop, for example, you cannot. Second con is maybe it's a niche bag. So it's very good at what it is for, like a urban area, the metro, the bus, things like this, but it's a niche. So if you don't have a lot of money to put on a bag, maybe this is not the most versatile bag for you. Third thing, it's kind of expensive for a niche bag, but thanks to 15% off from my Tech and Bags channel that you can see in the link below, or use the code Tech and Bags at checkout on the Alpaka website, you have 15% off, and then it's a more reasonably priced Sling, big Sling bag. So definitely check this out. And going on the pros, there are some, of course. It's an awesome bag. So the first thing is it has a super easy access for a bag. So you just swing it around and everything is well thought. So for example, the pockets are very well laid out. You can easily access it. It's super nice. The second pro is it's very sleek looking. Like in this green, it's almost like alienish like. I really like it. And the third thing is I was a little afraid because you only use it on one shoulder. I was afraid a little bit about the comfort maybe, but no, it's very comfortable. Thanks to its 10-liter capacity, you cannot really overfill it and you cannot put a lot of weight inside it. It keeps everything pretty well, pretty nice, pretty light. Very good. Who is this thing for? Well, first of all, if you are in a urban area, you use a lot of metro, a lot of bus, you have an active lifestyle and you want to access quickly your things, it's very nice. You can sling it around. When I go to the metro or the bus, I sling it and I sit down and this is in front of me, so I don't worry about being robbed or anything because all the pockets are very well visible here. And even this hidden pocket, I was not even aware there was a pocket because it was kind of like this. So perfect. So if you're into the bag area and you consider purchasing a CPL 16 maybe, which is very expensive for what it is, or if you are into the messenger bags, you kind of want to sling like so slings, maybe a big sling from Air or something like this, consider this sling, which is really nice. The color is really good. And if you want something more versatile or you're not so in a urban area, maybe it's not the bag for you and you want to see more normal backpack. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to put a like and subscribe and go on the link down below. You have 15% off this awesome bag available in black or green and left or right shoulder. Thanks. Bye bye.